Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Rahul Tomar. As I promised in my last video that I'm going to make a detailed video on ORM Executive. What does an ORM Executive do in any specific company, or what is the job role of an ORM Executive? So this is a detailed video about ORM. Let me just make you understand in a simple English language. ORM means online reputation management, which means as an ORM executive, you have to take care of the online reputation management, like online reputation of your company for whatever specific company you're working for. Like suppose you are working for XYZ company and you are working as an ORM executive in XYZ company, and that company has social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. So you have to take care of its online reputation, and how you take care of its online reputation, that's what I'm going to explain you further in this video. So make sure if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification icon also, so that you'll be able to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Now without wasting your time, let's directly jump into the video and start with the first point. Here I have mentioned monitor online mentions, like keep track of what people are saying about the company or individual online. You have to take care of, like suppose you have uploaded any video in Instagram of your social media handle of your company and people are saying negative things about that. So you have to take care about that. You have to solve that problem. You have to escalate that concern to the concern department, and you have to delete those comments just to remove the negativity from your social media platform, because you have to maintain the online reputation, and that's your exactly work. And here is mentioned is use tools to see mentions on social media, news sites and blogs. Like whenever a lot of people used to risk complaints and any reviews, any feedback about any company, they mention that company. So if you are mentioned in any news, any videos, you have to check that whether they are saying good thing about you, whether they are saying negative things about you. If they are saying negative things, you have to take action against them, because it's all about your company's reputation. And next, if I talk about create and manage content, which is our second point, here we have mentioned write and share positive content to boost the company's image. You have to share the right content on your social media platforms to boost the company's image. Then another, we have update social media and websites with interesting and relevant information. Then third, we have handle negative feedback. Here you can see handle negative feedback. In this, quickly address any negative comments or reviews. As I said, like you have uploaded any reel or any long form of videos, any photo. So if anybody is doing negative comment because of any issue with your company, you have to connect with the person. You have to resolve his query, so that in future he will not do negative comments on your post, and you have to delete those comments as well, just to maintain the online reputation. And second, we have here work to fix issues and reduce any damage to the company's reputation. Then fourth, we have engage with the audience. Here you can see respond to comments and messages to build a good relationship with people. Suppose you are getting so many comments on your videos in social media, in Facebook and YouTube, so there you have to respond to those comments just to build a relationship with your viewer and audience with the company. And fifth, we have here is improve search visibility, is optimize online content to show up higher in search result, which is called SEO. Then here we have use online ads to increase the visibility of positive content. Like you have to create ad or advertisement of your company, and you have to run ads about your company, so that a lot of people can get to know about your company, and a lot of people become aware about your brand. So this is what you have to do. Sixth, we have here is analyze and report. Measure how well ORM efforts are working by tracking key metrics. Okay, like you would be given some metrics on which you would be working, so by which you can measure how ORM team or ORM executive is working. Then prepare reports on the company's online reputation and any improvement needed. Then you have to make reports also, like how many negative comments you got, and how many negative comments you deleted, and how many solutions you given to the customer, so that they will not do negative comment in the future to your post. Then seventh, we have work with other team. Here, collaborate with marketing, PR, and customer service teams to support overall goals. Work with external partners or consultant if necessary. Here, collaborate with marketing, PR, and customer service teams to support overall goals. Means, suppose if you have got any negative comment in any of your posts in social media platform. So, if that problem which customer is facing right now and he has done a negative comment, you have to connect with the customer. So why did you do a negative comment on a social media platform? Then that customer is going to explain the issue, and if that issue can be resolved by your PR team, customer service, or any another department, then you have to connect with that department to resolve the issue so that customer can get satisfied and will not post the negative things on social media again about your company. Means you have to give solution to the customer so that he will not say anything negative about the company again, which will help you to increase your company's reputation in future. And eighth, we have here, you can see, manage reviews. Monitor and respond to reviews on sites like Google and Yelp. Use feedback to make improvements and address customer concern. First, we have like monitor and respond to reviews on sites like Google. So if your business, your company is listed on Google Map and Google as well, and if you're getting bad reviews about that, you have to connect with those customers. What is the reason behind that negative comments, negative reviews? Then you have to send those things, those feedbacks to your management so that they can make changes according to those feedback, so that customer will not face same problem again in the future. As it is mentioned in the next line, use feedback to make improvement in your company and address customer concern. And this is the last part of this video right now. Now let me make it very understandable to you in a very simple language, that as an ORM executive, ORM stands for online reputation management, and if you're working in any specific company as an ORM that has presence in all of the social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, like Twitter, in each and every social media platform. So you have to take care of its online reputation by doing all of these steps. This is what an online reputation management executive does. Okay. And still, if you have any doubt about this video, about this topic, feel free to leave a comment in the comment box. I'll be responding you soon, and I'll definitely answer your comment. And I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button also, and the notification icon also, so that you will be able to get the notifications about my future videos. So this is enough for this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.